Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to use this Google Antigravity for creating beautiful Valentine projects that you can share with your crush. So very simple prompt, create a professional website on the eve of Valentine Day celebration of a proposed day for my Valentine. So let's build a game. A cute game rather, using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Hit enter. So that's going to immediately Google Antigravity start creating your project. So first it's going to create a plan, a task rather. So you can see this task. So that is what it's going to build. You just read it. Once you are satisfied, you just inform that to Google Antigravity through this chat. So let's do it, and it's going to immediately start creating our project. So it's going to take about 30 seconds at max, and after that you can see it has slightly started creating all the files. Index.html created, script.js next, and style.css as well. Everything is done now. So accept all those changes. And it is done. So happy proposed day. I have created a heart catcher game and a proposal website, which also has a love meter. Beautiful, isn't it? So let's check out our website. Just browse this project on our file explorer and double click on this index.html. And there you go. So this is the project, Catch the Love. So as you click on start game, all the hearts going to start falling, and you need to catch that to this basket, and as you catch that heart, that love meter at the top going to start increase. And once when it hit 100%, it's going to show this screen. Will you be my Valentine? So there is a no button. But of course, we don't want her to click that no button, right? So that's why as she tried to click on that no button, it's going to simply move away. So only option that is left is to click on that yes button. And once you click on yes, you are just going to propose her. Happy proposed day. I love you. Beautiful, isn't it? So you can prepare this type of prompt and you can just use Google Antigravity for creating this very beautiful Valentine Day project. And if you want to know how to deploy this project and prepare the URL, so for that also I have created these videos. So to check any of these videos, that will help you to learn how to deploy this type of projects and how to prepare the URL that you can share with your crush. So that's pretty much all about this video. Please do subscribe our channel Geeky Script and also join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.